Hello everyone, I want to talk about some tax complications with employer Roth 401k matching. Now, some of you might realize that the Secure 2.0 Act actually allowed for two interesting Roth features. Number one, that SEPs and Simples could now have Roth. Number two was that employers can now do a matching contribution if the person elects into the 401k in the form of a Roth contribution. So how does this create some complexities? Well, there was a new IRS notice 2024-2 that addressed this topic. Well, in a SEP and Simple, if the company's putting money in, you're doing Roth contributions inside of a SEP or Simple, it's actually fairly straightforward. They're going to show up as W-2 income. Not much of a problem here. Really kind of tracking employee contributions. Now, when you put money in a Roth 401k, it shows up in your W-2 as income. And it's coming in after taxes, so that is how you're contributing. Now, with the employer Roth contributions in a matching situation, it does not show up in your W-2. So where does this show up? How are we going to deal with it from a tax perspective? If you're talking to clients, 1099-R, you're going to get a 1099-R if you're getting employer matches into your Roth account at a company. So you're going to get this 1099-R. Box 7 is going to have code G and a dollar amount that you now have to pull into your ordinary income. So that's where this is. You as the individual are going to be the one responsible for the employer matching contribution taxes. Now remember, you also might owe state income taxes in addition to the federal income taxes. Now, do remember one more thing, that your employer matching in a 401k, that 1099-R income we just talked about, will not be reportable for FICA taxes. Now, how do you actually end up paying this then, right? Two different ways. Number one, report it when you file your taxes, April 15th, include it as your income and pay the additional taxes at that time. Or number two, increase your federal withholdings on your W-2 by filing a W-4 with your employer and increasing those withholdings. Now, here's the challenge for individuals, right? All this being the case, you're going to have individuals with a surprise income tax bill who didn't know that the company wasn't withholding taxes, but when they signed up for that Roth 401k employer match. So it could be a very big surprise for people, definitely something to watch out for. Haven't seen a lot of employers roll it out yet, but something we need to address when talking to people about the downside, or at least the feature to watch out for when you're talking about Roth 401k employer matches.